What's up, everybody? It's your boy Chef Yarneezy, the Pimp Master. Guys, it is Making Money Fridays. The market is moving like a son of a gun. Look, how many people caught this dip? Look what US 30 did. Okay, it tried to play everybody, okay? It tried to play everybody by doing this crazy buy up at the 8:30 news, right? 8:30 news, US 30 did this, boom. Then it did this later, right? All to hit that 31,914. Now I did think it was going to shoot for 32,107 or at least the 800 MA. Well, no, I knew it wasn't going for the 800. Let me show you why. Let me show you why. I was looking at this, but it broke the trend. Okay, the trend broke. Okay, it was trending this way. This broke the trend. Now it's realigning, excuse me, to go back into a trend. Let me show you. Trend line. See this trend is starting right here to that one right there. And then it's trying to go in a reverse triangle. If I keep this going this way, it's going to be a triangle shape. I ain't going to do it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It goes to a reverse triangle. Now, what happens with a reverse triangle is it hits the top of the biggest part and then comes down all the way through to touch the bottom again. So that means US 30 should come down to like 31,037 by the time it's done selling. But this has been a box, guys. I drew this box. This has been the weekly box right here. Okay, so it's been ranging. Price has been ranging between 31,900, roughly. Okay, 31,950 and 31,260. Okay, so price has been ranging like that all week. You know, I mean, we got the 30th of August. Look what it did. 31st came down here. 1st of September came down some more. 2nd of September, which is today, this is this move. Okay. So I'm predicting the 3rd of September, now excuse me, the 3rd, 4th, 5th of September, or 4th of September on Sunday, the market's going to move again. I'm predicting it to come down some more and close out. Let me show you what it's trying to do. See this strong area of consolidation over here? I believe the market is trying to get to that area, which would put it in line with my theory of it being down to close out this bottom part of the triangle. It puts it right in line with this area of consolidation. Very strong area. If I go to the 1 hour chart, it looks even more ridiculous. Watch. Well, look at y'all. What do we have here? Area consolidation all through right here, through here. It's area consolidation. All right. Crude oil. Man, y'all should be happy at the pump because look where I got crude oil going, y'all. Watch this day chart. Now, look what's about to happen. Death cross, which means crude oil should come down, hit that 800 EMA, baby. $73.53. I already told you it was going down. Y'all better watch the videos, okay? Watch the videos. Thank you very much. It fell from grace. Okay, it hit that top line. I thought it was going to go ahead and go to 147, but I guess it said, no, that was enough. And now it's in a decline. It's declining, all right? So got a little bit of movement here on crude oil, but I think crude oil is going to tank some more. GU is going to do what US 30 is doing, so you can catch GU. Do I have it marked? I don't know if GU coming down there though. Hold on, let me see. Yeah. 114.33.1. All right, 114.33.1. And Bitcoin has been stabilizing right here, but Bitcoin, don't let it fool you, y'all. It got a death cross on a 4-hour chart. On a day chart, it is in a down state, and I believe it's coming right back to match this side down to 17,697. All right, you heard it here first. AEMD. All right, they are doing some crazy stuff. I don't know what happened to these guys, but they fell from serious grace. Look at this. Watch this. Watch where they fell from. Y'all ain't ready. Look where these jokers fell from. I can't even put it on my chart. It's so much. Look. They like Abbott and Costello. They've been a bad boy. 540. How do you go from $542 to basically nothing? Look at that, flatline. So it's either going to go out of business or they're going to make a comeback some kind of way. But if they do, I'm here for it. I just needed to go above $3.42. All right, for to believe it. Nike is looking like it's trying to make a return, right? So Nike's trying to make a return, but it can't because it got to line us up. So look for Nike to push down to $100 a share. And American Airlines, wow, I am disappointed because I was ready for them to pop, and they still might. But looking at the 4-hour chart, oh yeah, American Airlines, they may come back. They may come back. Let's look at the day chart. American Airlines, wow. American Airlines, let's see, it did a break and so it was buying, selling, buying, selling. So this was the break. It broke right here and then it retested down here. I'm looking for American Airlines to stop where it is, push back up here to like $14 a share, $14.50. That's what I'm looking for. But guys, pay attention to the news. Forest Factory already told us this was going down. Okay, if you pay attention to the news, 3 red folders, man. Non-farm employment change. Every month that report comes out, so get ready. All right, this is where you make your money. Both ways. Okay, both ways. August 5th, July 8th, June 3rd, and so on and so forth. Okay, if you look back, August 5th and July 8th, let's look at it real quick. August 5th and July 8th. Let's look at August 5th and July 8th. August right here, August 5th. Bet that's, yep, that's it. All right, look at August 5th, guys. This shows you better do your homework and start back testing. August 5th, all right, the non-farm report came out. Well, lo and behold, look what happened. Both ways, shot down 347 pips. Then it ran back up 625. So a total of over 900 pips for the day, because that's still, oh no, that's the 5th. That must be a Friday. 5th, 6th, 7th, yeah, 7th, let me see, 5th. That's Sunday, yep. So that was a Friday, same thing. So basically, they just did this bounce on Friday. Then look what it did. It kept in the same direction it was going in, for that Monday. Because this was Sunday on the 7th. It really didn't do nothing on the 7th. On Monday, it ran. Then it ran some more. Now, what was the other date? July 8th. Let's look at July 8th. July 8th, where you at? July, way down here somewhere. It normally comes out on a Friday, so let's see if that's about true. Hey, yep, that's a Friday. So let's look at Friday. Friday, July 8th. Now, that report came out on Friday, July 8th. 7th, 8th. All right, here we go. Oh, it was nasty on July 8th. You couldn't do heads or tails on July 8th. Look at this. This is foolishness here. 306 pips all day because it kept going back and forth. And then it decided to just go into a full sale. And what day did it finally tank? The 14th. Wow, it took 6 days to tank. So let's say here, you caught the move. 1362. Woo! Wowzers. So just know that report and whatever this was on the 13th. What was that on the 13th? What happened? On 13th, let me go back real quick. Let's go back to July. Was it July 13th? I think it's what it was. Yeah, let's look at July 13th, 2022. All right, let's see what happened. Well, lo and behold, it was a nasty CPI report. Since when you see, employment change, unemployment change. So that was for the AUD. Maybe that's why I was talking. Nope, the CPI. We have monthly report. So the CPI report came out like June 10, May 11, April, June 10. And of course that day. So that was the one. So June 10, May 11. So every month that report. So that's another market mover is the CPI report. So keep those reports in mind. And those are your money days, guys. That's the days you make money. But you're going to have to chart it out to make sure that you're in line with what the market is trying to do. So on July 8th, 1400, let's see. This is the 9 o'clock candle right here, right there, 9 o'clock. Opening bell, shot up, shot back down, shot up. Wow. And it did it. Okay, and that was it for Friday. So it ended on an up note. Actually, it ended on a doji. And then, nope, it ended on a sell candle. Yeah, that was the last candle. Then it continued to sell. Okay. So, guys, I've been talking for 10 minutes, but I wanted to give you all this sauce today. So make sure you are liking, subscribing, and sending this to your friends and family and all that. Everybody needs to learn how to do this. Everybody needs to learn how to trade, guys, especially my African Americans, because we're not privy to this information. Now we are. Now we got people that have the sauce, and we got to get the word out, guys. So let's start getting the word out. Point blank, period. All right. Trade with your boy, Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master. That's my time. It's almost 11 minutes of yapping. I'm out. Have a great, great Labor Day weekend.